reveals new inventory and new contracts lagging as buyer showings have been sluggish even before the snow. It's Friday, February 14th, 2025. Happy Valentine's Day. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Southern Maryland home prices fell this past month 1.8% as the Baltimore Metro area prices dipped 5.7%. Prince George's County home prices are up 6.9% from last January 2024, while the inventory is down 6% comparatively. Montgomery County home prices are up 14.3% from last January, but inventory is up 11.8% this January. The Mountain Market prices are down 6.3% from last January, and inventory fell 17.5% year over year. Click on the link for details about the Maryland Eastern Shore market and its own report. New inventory to the market fell to 1,410. Coming soon inventory rose again this week to 1,149. 1,377 homes went under contract this past week in 15 days. 758 homes sold this report in 20 days, and sellers pocketed 100% list to sold ratio as their net. Rentals rose this report to 2,709, priced at $2,400 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, February 14th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe and warm. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.